Welcome to Bangladesh, a land of rich culture, natural beauty, and dynamic growth, situated in South Asia. Bangladesh is bordered by India to the west, north and east, and Myanmar to the southeast. Its southern coastline stretches along the Bay of Bengal. One of Bangladesh's most renowned natural wonders is the Sundarbans, the world's largest mangrove forest and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's a critical habitat for the Bengal tiger and a vital ecosystem for many species. Bangladesh is a cultural mosaic with a rich heritage. The country is known for its vibrant festivals, such as Pohila Boishakh, the Bengali New Year, and Durga Puja. Its traditional crafts, from silk weaving to pottery, reflect the artistry of its people. A Bangladeshi cuisine is a feast for the senses. Enjoy the flavors of biryani, a spiced rice dish, and hilsa fish, a local delicacy. Street food vendors across the country offer a variety of mouth-watering options. Dhaka, the capital, is a bustling metropolis known for its vibrant life and rapid development. Despite its challenges, Bangladesh is making strides in various sectors, including technology and education. The nation's cultural expressions are as diverse as its landscape. Traditional music and dance play a significant role in daily life, showcasing the rich history and traditions of the Bangladeshi people. From its lush landscapes to its dynamic culture, Bangladesh is a country of resilience and beauty. Its people are known for their warmth and hospitality, making it a place worth exploring. Thank you for watching. To learn more about Bangladesh, visit our YouTube channel Vlog Via.